Good morning everyone. So in last class we have started our 3.5 exercise. So in that first bit and second bit we have completed. In first bit we have finded LCM by using prime factorization method, and in second bit we have found this LCM by using division method. Okay, now third question, find the smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So we have to find the smallest number when added to 5. That number when we add to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So do this. So what we have to find here, smallest number. Smallest is nothing but LCM we have to find. So the smallest number of 12, 14 and 18 is, what we have to do? We have to do the LCM here. So LCM of 12, 14, 18, I am doing the division method here. So it will go in which table? It will go in 2 table. So 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. Now take the common divisor. 6 and 9 will go in 3 table. So cancel with 3, do with 3 table now. 3 2s are 6, 7 as it is, because 7 will not go in 3 table. 3 3s are 9. So in this 3 don't have any common divisors. So directly you can multiply or individually you can do. So first I am taking 2. 2 1s are 2. 7 will not go in 2 table. I am writing as it is. 3 will not go in 2 table. I am writing as it is. Now with 7. 7 1s are 7. 3 will not go in 7 table. Write as it is. So what is the LCM you got here? LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 7. So that will be how much? 252. So if you multiply this, sorry, here 3. So that will be 252. So what we have to find? We have to find which number you will which number you will add to 5 to get the number divisible by these values they are asking. So what you will do there? You will subtract this number with 5. The required smallest number is 252 minus 5. So if you subtract this, how much you will get? 247. So this number is exactly divisible by the given numbers they are telling. Okay, so this is our third solution. Next is fourth one. So what is fourth question? Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60 leaves no remainder. The remainder will be 4. So what we have to find? We have to find a number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60, it will leave a remainder as 0 it seems. It will not get any remainder. No remainder is nothing but 0 you will get. So right here the given numbers are what are the given numbers here? 75, 45 and 60. What is the first bit? It gives no remainder. It gives no remainder. So take the LCM for this. 75, 45, 60. So in which table it will go? It will go in 5 table. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, that is 5 15s are 75, 5 9s are 45, 5 12s are 60. Now 15, 9 and 12 will go in 3 table. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now we don't have any common divisor here, so individually you can multiply. I am multiplying directly. So that is, what is the LCM here? LCM is equals to 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 4. So multiply this. How much you will get? That will be 5 3s are 15. Next here 5 3s are 15. 15 into 15 will be 225. 225 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 4 2s are 8, 9. So you got it as 900 here. So if you divide this 900 with these three numbers, always the remainder will be 0. If you want, you can check. Next is second bit. It will leave the remainder as 4, it seems. If you want the remainder as 4, so what we have to do? We have to add 4 to the given number. So what is the number? The required number with remainder 4. So what we have to do? We have to add 4 to this number, that is 900 plus 4, that will be equals to 904. So if you divide this 900 with these three numbers, always the remainder will be 0. And next bit you want the remainder as 4. Here you got the remainder as 0, but here you want the remainder as 4. That means what we have to do? 4 we have to add with this 900, that is 900 plus 4 will be equals to 904. So this is our second next bit, that is fourth solution. Next, fifth one. So next is, three measuring tapes are 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 96 centimeters. What is the least length? Least is nothing but LCM you have to do. Least length that can be measured by any of the tapes exactly. So again we have to do the LCM here. So length of the tapes they have given as lengths of tapes they have given as 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 96 centimeters. And what we have to find, what is the least length that can measure all the three, any tape exactly we have to find. So what we will do? We will do the LCM here again. So LCM of 64 centimeters, 72 centimeters and 96 centimeters. Now you take the LCM here. So in which table you can see this? So 96, 72. So it will go in 8 table. So 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. Next here 8 12s are 96. So all the numbers as cancelled in 8 here. Next 8 9 12. So this 9 and 12 will go in 3 table, as well as this 8 and 12 will go in which table? It will go in 4 table. So anything you can take. You can apply 3 here or you can apply 4. So I am applying 4 here. 4 2s are 8. 9 will not go in 4 tables, so write as it is. 4 3s are 12. Now this 9 and 3 will go in 3 table. Is it right? So this 2 write as it is and apply with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now you don't have any common multiples here. Directly you can multiply. So LCM is equals to 8 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 1. So just multiply this. If you multiply these all numbers, you will get it as 576. So what is the least tape that can measure any one of it exactly? That is 576 centimeters. So right here the least length that can be measured by any one of the tape exactly is how much? 576 centimeters. So this is our fifth solution. Okay, next is sixth one. So what is sixth one now? What is the capacity of largest vessel? Largest is nothing but you have to do the HCF. So what is the capacity of largest vessel which can empty the oil from 3 vessels containing 32 liters, 24 liters and 48 liters and exact number of times. So largest means you have to take here HCF you have to take. So what is here? The capacity of largest vessels. Capacity of largest vessel capacity of 3 vessels we will write. Is how much? 32 liters, 24 liters and 48 liters. And what we have to find? We have to find the HCF for this. So HCF of 32 liters, 24 liters and 48 liters we have to take. So how to do the HCF? By using prime factorization you can do, and also by using long division method you can do. So I am applying here long division. So how to do? We have to go from ascending order. Ascending order means smaller values we have to take first. This is the largest one. We will solve this afterwards. First we will solve these two. With 32 we have to divide with 24. Now 24 ones are 24 because 24 2 times is bigger number. Okay, so now subtract this. How much it will be? 12 minus 4 will be 8. Here it will be 2 0. Now this 24 you have to divide with 8 here. So 8 how many times will be equals to 24? 8 3s are 24. You got the remainder as 0. Now with what is the remaining number? 48. This 48 we have to divide with 8 now. 8 6 are 48. So you got the remainder as 0. So what is the HCF value? HCF value you got it as 8 here. Okay. So what is the largest vessel that can empty all the 3 containers? The largest vessel is 8 liters. So this is our 6th solution. Okay. Now last one in this bit. So what is that? Prasad and Raju met in the market on 1st of this month. Prasad goes to market every 3rd day and Raju goes every 4th day. On what day of the month will they meet again? So again on which day they will meet we have to find. So here the day on which Prasad and Raju meet. Raju meet in the market is on 1st of month. First of this month. Prasad, when Prasad will go? Prasad goes to market on third day and Raju goes to market on fourth day. So what we have to find again, when they will meet we have to find. So what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? We don't have any common multiples, so with that number only we have to do. 3 ones are 3, 4 as it is, again with 4 table. 4 ones are 4. So what is the LCM? You got it as 12 here, that is 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So when they will meet again, Prasad and Raju meet again on after 12 days. Again they will meet after how many days? After 12 days they will meet. Therefore, Prasad and Raju meet again after 12 days. Okay, this is our last question in this exercise 3.5. So what is that? On day the day on which Prasad and Raju meet in the market is on 1st of month. Okay, so Prasad goes to market on every third day and Raju goes to market on every fourth day. So again when they will meet we have to find. So what we are doing? We are doing the LCM here. So 3 ones are 3. 4 will not go in 3 tables, so I am writing 4 as it is. Now with the 4 we are doing 4 ones are 4. So what is the LCM? You got it as 12. That means Raju and Prasad meet again after how many days? After 12 days again they will meet. So with this our exercise is completed and tomorrow we will discuss about relationship between LCM and HCF and also we will continue the problems on this topic. Okay, thank you.